doesn't smell like Coke. Cola. Let me just say that. Oh, Coco Loco. This is not Coca-Cola. Coco Loco. All right, I'm very excited about this. So we have a Colourpop Mystery Box. So Colourpop had mystery boxes, well, mystery box. So there's only one of them that was $49. Usually they have a few. They have about 3, but they only had one and I grabbed it. So it finally came. It came today. Today is Friday when I'm filming it. So if you want to see what's inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and was it worth the $50, then keep on watching. All right, so like I said, it just came, and I'm going to cut, you can see I haven't even cut it open. I have not peeked anything, and trust me, I want it to. So I am really excited. Every time Colourpop puts out a mystery box, I usually get it because they're really, really good. I don't tend to buy from Colourpop too much. I used to when I first started like getting into YouTube. Like Colourpop was my thing to go. Then they start putting out like an eyeshadow palette like every other day. I couldn't keep up with it, right? So like I said, I don't normally buy from Colourpop. So when I see the mystery boxes, I get it because they usually pack a lot of stuff in here, you know? They also have like a skincare line, Fourth Ray Beauty. They put stuff in there. So you get to try all of their sister companies. You know what I mean? So that's pretty good. All right. So when you open her up, it says Colourpop. And then this is packed. It's taped. So let's do this. You get a lot of stuff. Look at this. What? All right, you know, like I always say, but I was shocked. Here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. Wow, this is exciting. All right, I'm going to go to the first thing I see. It says Coca-Cola. Right there. And something smells really good. All right, so this is a lip scrub. Ooh. I always see Coca-Cola. I'm a Pepsi girl. Well, I'm going to be honest. I don't really drink soda anymore. But when I did, I was a Pepsi girl. But nothing's ever done in Pepsi. They always collab with Coca-Cola. You notice that? All right, so it says Colourpop Lippy Scrub. Oh, it's white. I thought it was going to be brown like the soda. What? This doesn't smell like Coke. Cola. Let me just say that. Oh, Coco Loco. This is not Coca-Cola. Coco Loco. I guess like coconut. I don't know. Oh my God. Now I'm disappointed. I was so excited. Okay. Well, it still doesn't smell like anything. I just want to see, like, does it have a scrubby? Yeah, it has little tiny scrubs. Very little. It's more like a oil, you know? But, all right, I'll definitely use it. I like anything for the lips. Oh, my God, I was so excited. All right. Maybe that's why I should have my glasses on. Okay, but I like it. I'm glad to get it, you know? All right, so we have a couple of them in here. So here's 2 more, and these are all lip scrubs. All right, so this one is, let me read it. It says by the bushel. I think this is a strawberry because it has strawberries on there. All right, same thing. I like how there's like a safety seal so that way it doesn't dry out. All right, so it's like a light pink. Now that smells more like a strawberry. All right, so I'm happy about that. Like this one doesn't even smell like coconut or not. It doesn't smell like anything, you know? But that's all right. You know, I'm all right with that. And then this one is from Fourth Ray. So this is their sister company. It says So Radiant. And what is this? Oh, this is an eye cream. Ooh, okay. It looks like maybe it has vitamin C because it has like oranges and different things. Yeah, this is a brightening eye cream. Ooh, I'm really excited for this. All right, so it has a safety seal. Oh, and that's filled to the top. I don't know why I smelled it. I'm always smelling things. That didn't sound too good, but I am. I don't know why. And that has a nice texture to it. Like, Oh, I'm really excited. I love anything for the eyes. Okay, so we have that. So far, all three things I'm loving. Loving. Okay, so then we have this with UV. Everything's packaged very nice, you know? Okay, so this is from Colourpop. It's the Super Shock Shadow. And this is in the shade... the heck does that say? Tassel or something? I can't. It's very small print. Let's take it out the box. Ooh, that's pretty. You can use that actually as a highlighter or like in the inner corners or of course as a shimmer shade, or put this on top of a matte or another like a darker shimmer shade. Put that on top. I love Super Shock shadows. They just dry out very quickly. So always make sure it's on tight, you know. So let's do a little swatch. I love the way they feel. Look at that. That's one swatch. Let me go in again so you can see the color. That is just gorgeous. Would you look at that? That's really, really pretty. Tassel, I believe that's what it says. So then we have from Fourth Ray, and it says Later Hater Blemish Stickers. So I'm not going to open that up. You know, they're like shaped like hearts or maybe stars or whatever it is. And you put it, if you have any acne or pimples, and you put it on there, it's like a little patch. And it's supposed to take it away. So I don't suffer from acne, but I'll either give this to my son or a friend or something like that. And look, I mean, there's still quite a bit of stuff in here. Okay, so the next thing is this. It says, do it right. What are you? Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. Hydration Booster. This is from Fourth Ray. Ooh. Look at that. All right. This is good when I do my walk and talks. You know, I take it with me when when it's hot outside. Oh, it has a nice fresh smell. Yes. I'm definitely going to put this right in my book bag. I always carry a bag on me because I carry my essentials. If you don't know what that means, I'll leave my second channel down below. You can check it out. All right. The next thing is watermelon. Anything like watermelon, peach, mango, I love. And this is a face... oh, I think I have this. This is from Fourth Ray. Let's see. Oh, no, I don't. I do not. What are you? Face polish. Okay, I don't know what that is. What is a face polish? I need to get my glasses on. Hold the phone. Oh, so this is like an exfoliator. It's like a cleanser. Ooh, okay. The next thing, this is from the Colourpop. This is Fresh Kiss. Can you get that out, Anne? Ooh, look at that. That's a pretty color. I mean, definitely right up my alley. Okay. I'm happy to get that. And we got this little thingy majiggy. What are you? Color Stick. In the shade Coffee Shop. I love coffee. I only drink a cup of coffee once in the morning now. Just once a day. But, alright. So I guess this is like an eyeliner maybe? Or maybe a shadow? I don't know. It's very pretty. That is very creamy. I would use it like on my waterline as an eyeliner. I'm not sure if this is like what it is. But it's pretty. So then we have a mascara. This is the Lengthening Up Mascaras. Now, I haven't tried this one, but I've tried a couple of other Colourpop mascaras, and they're okay. They're not my favorite. So, I don't know what I want to do about this. If I want to put it in a giveaway, future giveaway, or try it. Or maybe give it to my daughter. I don't know. So I don't want to open this up yet. But it's a mascara. All right. We got a couple more things. The next thing is a flat kabuki brush. Ooh. I love getting brushes. Oh, this is like a foundation brush or something. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, this is really good for like cream products, foundation, or maybe liquid bronzer or blush or whatever. You could use this for anything, but I'll definitely use this. All right. And then the rest looks like makeup. Okay, so we have 3 more things, and they look like all eyeshadow palettes. So we have 2 of these smaller palettes. This says On the Mango. Oh, I love those colors. Let me show you. That's really pretty. That is gorgeous. There you go. Look at that. There we go. There's not like a deep, deep color, you know? Wow. Okay, so that's just going in once. This is shimmer shade, but I had it on my pinky. But very pretty. Let me see if this deepens up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely buildable. Look at that. I love this so much. All right, and then we have another smaller one right here. And this is Acai. I can never pronounce that word. A-C-A-I. You, baby. So it's like purples. And that's what she looks like. Let me open her up so you can see it a little better. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, look at that. All right, so I have it here. This one is a little patchy, but it also has some glitter to it. So I built it up a few times so you can see it. But purples are, you know, are very hard to make. Let me get this off. Okay, and last but not least is this. And what you be? Plush Like Me. Oh, I don't have this. I don't have a lot of the newer palettes because, like I said, now I used to a couple years ago always get the palettes. So I have like their older palettes, you know? So I'm glad to try this. Oh, that's pretty. And this feels like velvet. That's the back. It's like red. The velvet's like red. Oh, I wish you could see it in person to see what I'm talking about. Oh, it's very pretty. Ooh. So you have a nice mirror. And these are the shades. Look at that. Now this one was on my pinky, so very pretty though. All right, so let's recap everything I got in this box. I think this was great for 50 bucks. I really, really do. So we have a full-size palette. So we have 2 of the quads. We have 2 lip scrubs. One is not Coca-Cola, it's Coco Loco. Then we have an eye cream, which I'm really happy to get. You have the, these are the only thing that like, you know, but you have the acne stickers. You have this Do It spray, which I'll definitely be using. You have a mascara. We have this. I'm really excited to use this. I hope it smells like watermelon, but it's like an and I love exfoliating your skin and stuff. So we have that for your face. We have this gorgeous Super Shock shadow, and this will go with like any of the palettes that I got. What else? We have a lipstick, and we have like a, I don't know, like this brown, I don't know if it's an eyeliner or a shadow stick, but I'll definitely use it. And is that everything? That's everything. I mean, that's a lot of stuff. That's why I always say these Colourpop mystery boxes are always so good. They just sell out really fast, you know. But let me know if you got one. Would you pay for $50? Would you get this? And let me know down below. What did you think of it? If I had, oh, I forgot. And the brush, the kabuki brush. If I had to rate this from a scale 1 to 5, 1 I'm throwing it in the trash, 5 I'm doing cartwheels, I will definitely say like a 4.5 or a 5. Like, it's that good. I really think it's great. I love it. I really, really do. And the only thing is I wish we would have got maybe a blush and a bronzer. But I guess with different complexions, it's hard to do. I guess the safest is to do eyeshadows. I get that, you know? So, yeah. That's everything, guys. Please like this video. Like this video if you like mystery boxes. Like this video if you thought the box was pretty good. Let me know. And make sure you leave a comment. That helps me out. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know if you got this box. Don't forget, I do have my second channel, Just Aaron's World. If you're into vlogs, I do car vlogs, walk and talks, things like that. I'll leave the link in the description box. Check it out. See if that is something that you'd be interested in. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and always stay you no matter what. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I am really impressed with you, Colourpop. Yes, I am. I really am. This is probably one of the better mystery boxes. I gotta go wash my hands now. I'm very happy. Yes, I am.